y'all, I am back with a Valentine's Day inspired glam. Let's go ahead and get into this video. To start off, I'm going to go ahead and prep my eyelids with the P.Louise base in Rumour 01. And I'm just going to go ahead and blend that out. I'm going to take the BPerfect Carnival palette, the Antidote, and I'm going to take the shade Sweet Cheeks, and I'm going to go ahead and make my guideline for my cut crease. Now I'm going to go ahead and just blend that color out. Next, I'm going to go in with the shade Bonbon as a transition shade. I am going to go back in with the shade Sweet Cheeks just to bring more of that pigmentation back. Next, I'm going to go in with the shade Aubergine, I think that's how you pronounce it, and I'm just going to deepen out that crease. Next, I'm going to take a Q-tip with Vaseline to clean up my crease. Going back in with that P.Louise base to further clean up the crease. Next, I'm going to go in with the shade Dove and pack that shade all over my lid. Next, I'm going to take the BPerfect X Stacey Carnival 3 palette, and I'm going to take the shade Hibiscus and put that all over my lower lid. I am leaving a little bit of a space in between that crease that I just cut and my lid to put some glitter. Now I'm going to take this shade Bare and apply that to the inner portion of that lower lid. I'm going to take the NYX glitter glue and just put that all over that blank space. Next, I'm going to take the glitter from Bolive Beaute in the shade Brick City and apply that on top of the NYX glitter glue. And I'm squinting really hard because I literally only had one contact in while I was recording this, and it was a struggle, y'all, so please bear with me. I already ordered a new pack of contacts, so we're not gonna have this issue, but yeah. And now I'm just taking a spoolie and just flicking off the excess glitter. I'm also gonna take their glitter in the shade Rosé. This is more like a chunky pink glitter, just to give more definition to the glitter. Now I'm taking this pearl kit that I got from Amazon, which I will link down below. And I'm just gonna use the Kiss lash glue and apply some dots randomly and put the pearls on top. I use a mix of the white and the pink ones. Now I'm taking the Beats by Debs Color for Days eyeshadow palette along with the Inglot Duraline, and I'm using the shade Flush. I'm going to make a little liner. If you do not have the Inglot Duraline, please get that. You can make anything waterproof. You can make a liner out of anything. So highly, highly, highly recommend. Next, I'm going to prep my skin with the e.l.f. Power Grip. And I'm going to use the Too Faced foundation in the shade Chai. And I do like to use foundation to clean up my brows. I don't put concealer on the top of my brows. It gives it more of a natural look. Now I'm going to take the Too Faced Born This Way concealer in the shade Butterscotch. Apply that to all the areas that I want concealed / highlighted. I'm going to take the Black Opal True Color Stick Foundation in the shade Carob. I do like to start off by blending my concealer with a brush, and then I'll go in and blend the excess with a sponge. I just feel like this way it gives more of a seamless blend. And then I'm going to go ahead and blend out that cream contour. You want to make sure that you're blending up and not down. Now I'm taking the Danessa Myreicks cream palette in the shade Feminist. I'm taking shade number 4. I'm going to use that as cream blush. I'm going to take the Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Finish powder in the shade Medium. I'm going to take the Zulu palette by Juvia's Place. I'm going to take that brown shade and set that cream contour. I'm also going to take that pink shade and set my cream blush. I did go ham with the blush, but it's Valentine's Day. You need to be blushing, like, you know. I'm going to go in with the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter setting powder in the shade Banana, and I'm going to set the rest of my face along with the highlighted areas. I do use the Morphe Continuous Setting Mist to blend all those powders together to give me a more skin-like finish. I'm going to take the P.Louise base in Touch of Pink, I believe that's what it's called, and apply that to my waterline. And then I'm going to go back in with the Beats by Deb Color for Days eyeshadow palette in the shade Flush and just put that on top to set it. I'm taking the Fenty Beauty Diamond Glow highlighter in the shade How Many Carats, and I'm just going to highlight my face. Do y'all see this highlighter? This is like one of my favorite highlighters. I'm going to take the Truly Glam Cosmetics lip liner in the shade Divine and line my lips. I'm also going to take their liquid lipstick in the shade Knew It and apply that to the center. Next, I'm going to take the Fenty Beauty lip gloss in the shade Fussy and apply that on top. And here we have the final look. This is my Valentine's Day inspo. I am obsessed and I hope you guys love it too. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe. Bye!